Okay. Triangle. Triangle means ತ್ರಿಭುಜಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is called ತ್ರಿಭುಜಗಳು. Triangle. ತ್ರಿಭುಜಗಳು, ತ್ರಿಕೋನ. There are two meanings of the triangle. Tri means three. Tri, tri means that is three. Angles means it has three angles. ಯಾವ ಫಿಗರ್ 3 angles ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Which figure has 3 angles? That is called triangle. Triangle means tri. Tri means that is 3, and angles. Angles means there are 3 angles. That figure is called triangle. So what is the definition of the? What is the exactly the definition of the triangle is a plane figure bound by 3 non-congruent line segments in a plane is called triangle. A plane figure. One plane figure is a plane figure bounded by 3 non-congruent line segments. It is bounded by 3 non-congruent line segments on a plane or in a plane is called triangle. Means write down a plane figure. Write down first a plane figure bound by 3 non-concurrent CONCURRENT non-concurrent line segments in a plane is called triangle. This is the definition of the triangle. A plane figure. There is a plane figure bound by 3 non-concurrent. So see, these are the 3 non-concurrent line segments. 3 non-concurrent means these are concurrent. These are concurrent. These are non-concurrent. Non-concurrent line segments. 3 non-concurrent line segments in a plane is called triangle. Okay. A plane figure bound by 3 non-concurrent line segments in a plane is called triangle. Okay. So this is the triangle. Just to draw the triangle, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Here, ABC is a triangle. Then it has 3 vertices. A, B, C. It has 3 vertices. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಶೃಂಗ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಿದಾವೆ. It has 3 points. It has 3 vertices. A, B, C. These are the 3 vertices. Non-concurrent vertices. ಇವುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Non-concurrent vertices ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. It has 3 vertices. It has 3 sides. AB is one side, BC is one side, and CA or AC is the one side. It has 3 sides and it has 3 angles. Also, it has 3 angles. So, angle A, angle B, and angle C. These are the 3 angles. Okay. So, ABC is a triangle. See, ABC is a triangle. So what is the symbol of the triangle? The symbol of the triangle is like this. The symbol of the triangle is like this. ABC is a triangle. So vertices, sides, then angles. So 3 vertices. 3 vertices. Which are the 3 vertices? Vertices A, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. These are the 3 vertices. Vertex plural form is vertices. Vertex plural form is vertices. A, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Sides are 3. AB is a one side, BC is a second side, and third side is CA. AB, BC, and CA. These are the 3 sides and 3 angles. Angle A, this one. Angle B, this is the symbol of the angle. Angle B, angle C. Or instead of like this, also you write that is C. Using the 3 letters. Angle BAC. Angle BAC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC. And angle ACB. See. Angle ACB. So whichever angle is there, that comes middle. So using three letters only you write the angles. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ನೀವು angles ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ use 3 letters. Always you use 3 letters. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು 3 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು angles ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ using the 3 letters. Okay, just note it, this one, note it. Next, let's move to the types of the angles. Types of the board. Okay, so let's move to the next, that is types of the triangle. Actually, there are 2 types of the triangle. There are 2 classifications are there in triangle. Actually, it has 2 types of the triangle. 2 based on sides and based on angles like this, they divided triangle. So classification of triangle. Classification is types. Classification of triangle. See here, based on sides, one type is there. Based on sides, this is the one type, and one more is based on angles. One more is based on angles. So based on sides means ಬಾಹುಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅವುಗಳ sides ಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ, again there are types are there. And based on angles means ಕೋನಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ, again there are types are there. So based on sides means again there are 3 types. Again there is 3 types. So which are those? You know the types of the triangle based on sides. Tell me the types of the triangle.
Scalene triangle.
Triangle.
Okay.
Isosceles triangle.
Okay. Scalene triangle. Then tell me.
Isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle.
Okay. Yes. Equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Yes. These are the 3 types of the triangle based on the sides. And based on the angles, again there are 3 types. Which are those? Again, there is 3 types.
Triangle.
Okay, very good. Then next, right angled triangle, acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. These are 3 types. Okay, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. These are the 3 types based on the sides. Based on the angles, again there are 3 types. So that is, first one is acute angled triangle, lagu kona tribhuja. Already you know acute angle means, already you know, yesterday in our previous class already we learned that one. What is the definition of the acute angle? What is the definition of the acute angle? It is angle has the angle has less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. Like that, angles are called acute angle. Okay, so acute angled triangle. Then second one is right angle triangle. The angle has exactly 90 degree. That is called right angle. Already in previous class we learned that also. Next, one more type is what? Obtuse angled. Yes, obtuse angled triangle. One more type is obtuse angled triangle. Vishala kona tribhuja, lagu kona tribhuja, lamba kona tribhuja, vishala kona tribhuja. There are 3 types of the triangle that is based on the angle. So let's see one by one. First we'll see the based on sides. Based on sides we'll see first. So first one you write down. So first one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, Samabahu Tribhuja. In Kannada, it is called Samabahu Tribhuja. Equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle? What is the meaning of the equilateral triangle? What is the definition of the equilateral triangle? What are the rules are there in equilateral triangle? This is also very important in this chapter. However, equilateral triangle andreno, Samabahu Tribhuja andreno, ಅದರ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ equilateral triangle means equi means equal. Equi means here equal. Lateral means that is sides. Lateral means here sides. So lateral means sides means just ಇಲ್ಲಿ all the three sides are what? All three sides are equal here. Correct? Yes, all three sides are equal. If the triangle if in the triangle all three sides are equal means that triangle is called equilateral triangle. Yes. So equilateral triangle, just write down. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal and angles measure 60 degree. Each angle measures 60 degree. Each angle measures 60 degree here. Okay. So this is the diagram. This one is the diagram A, B, C. This one is the diagram of the triangle ABC, C. Just like this are there means ಈ ತರ ಬಾಹುಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Okay, all the angles measures, all angle measures 60 degree. ಎಲ್ಲಾ angles ಗಳು 60 degree ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C here. What is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? This is also very important here. Perimeter means ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ, perimeter. What is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? The perimeter. Perimeter means ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. Perimeter of the triangle is AB plus BC plus CA. Adding all the sides. Perimeter ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what you do? Just add all the sides. ಎಲ್ಲಾ sides ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು add ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ that is called perimeter. ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. AB plus BC plus CA. So I'll take here this is A. This side is A. This side is A. Means all sides are measures here A. Okay, all sides are measures A. ಎಲ್ಲಾ sides ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ A ಆಗಿ measure ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A plus A that is 3A. So what is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? P is equal to 3A. Are you getting? Are you understanding? Okay.
Yes.
Great. Next, let's move to the what? That is area. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. So here, let's see the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So what is the area of the equilateral triangle? You tell me. What is the area of the just a triangle? You tell me what is the formula of the finding the area of triangle? ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅದ ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ 5th and 6th standard. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What is the area of the, what is the formula of area finding the area of triangle? Let me know fast.
A into B into C.
A into B into C. Is it right answer? Is it right answer? A into B into C. Tell me others. Preetham, Aishwarya, Kshitish, Guru Prasad, others. Anushri told A into B into C. And what is that? Is it right answer? Or is there any one more formula to find this one? Don't know. This is very easy question. Already you solved many questions using this formula, finding the area of triangle. So you don't take equilateral triangle, any triangle you take, any other triangle you take, the area of triangle is area of triangle, not equilateral triangle. I'm telling here, area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. This is the formula, 1/2 b into h. This one is the formula for finding the area of triangle. But this formula not apply to finding the equilateral triangle. E formula ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, equilateral triangle area find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ apply ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So one more formula is there to find the area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರು, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. But equilateral triangle, that is, the formula is root 3 by 4 a square. This one is the formula to find the area
We can't
of,
see that.
area of equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 into a square. This one is the formula, root 3 by 4. So one more time I'll write root 3 by 4 a square. This one is the formula to finding the area of equilateral triangle. See, this one is the formula. But e formula ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You apply when to find the equilateral triangle area. Then only you use this formula. But instead of equilateral triangle, any other triangle is given, use this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, are you getting now what I'm saying? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the next type. So that is, the next type is isosceles triangle. The second type is, down only write down. Next second type is, that is isosceles triangle. So what is the definition of the isosceles triangle? What is the meaning of the isosceles triangle? This is also very important here. So the second type is isosceles triangle. Samadvibahu tribhuja. In Kannada it is called Samadvibahu tribhuja. Samadvi. Dvi means ಎರಡು. ಸಮ ಎರಡು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಸಮವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ತ್ರಿಭುಜವನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮದ್ವಿಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? What is the definition of isosceles triangle? So isosceles triangle
Which has two sides equal and one side
yes.
unequal.
Yes. Here any two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Any two sides. So there are three sides are there. In that three sides, any two sides are equal means that is called isosceles triangle. This is the definition of the isosceles triangle. So what is the diagram of the isosceles triangle? You draw like this also. XYZ is a isosceles triangle. I take these two sides are equal and this is not a equal. These two sides are equal. See, symbol is like this. The symbol is like this means that is isosceles triangle. So here XY is equal to XZ. These two sides are equal. So opposite of this and opposite of this angles also equal. So that is angle XYZ and angle XZY. These two angles also equal, but this is not equal. These two, because these two sides are equal means, listen here and see here. These two sides are equal means, here what you take? Opposite of this side is this angle. Opposite of this side is this angle. So that's what these two angles are equal here. It is isosceles triangle. Are you getting? Understanding now? Okay. Just note it. XY is equal to XZ and angle XYZ is equal to angle XZY. So these are. So here also same perimeter is
Which
XY
definition
plus.
of isosceles triangle is there?
Any two sides are equal. Enough. Any two sides are equal. That is the definition of the isosceles triangle. So XY plus YZ plus, that is XZ. This is the perimeter. Area is same. 1/2 into base into height. So what is height? This one is called height. This is the height and this is the base. Base, height. Always. This is the height of the triangle. This is the base of the triangle. So this is the area of the isosceles triangle. Okay. So let's move to the third type. Just note it fast. This is the second type of the based on the size. Second type. Let's move to the third type. That is scalene triangle. Scalene. That is third type is scalene triangle. Finished this one? Note it fast.
Miss,
Okay.
finish.
Okay, let's move to the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means here that Vishama Bahu Tribuja. In Kannada it is called Vishama Bahu Tribuja or Asama Bahu Tribuja. See, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಅಸಮ ಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಷಮ ಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ. ಅಸಮ ಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ means all the sides are not equal. All sides are not equal. Like that triangle is called scalene triangle. Here, what is the definition? What is the definition of this? All sides are unequal, are not equal. All sides are not equal. All sides are not equal. Okay, all sides are not equal. This is the definition of the scalene triangle. And here, all the angles also not equal. If all the sides are not equal, means all the angles also not equal. So, see. So, the symbols are like this. Triangle symbols are, this is one side, this is second side, this is third side. So, all sides are not equal here. I'll take ABC. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is not equal to C. This is not equal. Not equal to BC. Again, BC is not equal to BA. Like that only, angle A is not equal to angle B. And angle B is also not equal to angle C. This is about the scalene triangle. Here also same perimeter, adding all the sides AB plus BC plus CA. And area is also same, 1/2 into B into H. This is the area. So, what is the unit? Square units. Here we use square units. Square units means centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, millimeter square. Like that we use a square unit. But here only unit. Unit means that is just centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter, whatever they given. Just use like this. Finding the perimeter, finding the area. So this is. So height means anywhere you take. So this is the height, and this one is the base. I take like this. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. This is the height ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, this one is the base. If the given is like this, height means this is the height and this one is the base. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This height is started from this vertex. ಈ vertex ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ BC is the base and this one is the height. If it is started by C vertex and it intersect in AB, so that is called AB is the base and this one is the height. If it is started by A vertex means this is the height and this one is the base. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Only equilateral triangle has different area formula, but others have same. Okay, so this is about the three kinds of the triangle that is based on sides. One is equilateral triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, and third one is scalene triangle. These are the three types. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, and all angles measure 60 degrees. Okay, that is equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means only two sides, any two sides are equal and any two angles are equal. That is called what? Okay, isosceles triangle, Samadvi Bahu Tribuja. So, and third one is scalene triangle. All sides are not equal here, all are unequal, and here all the angles also not equal. So, this is the perimeter and area of the scalene triangle. Understood now? These are three types of the triangles. So, let's move to the next type, that is based on angle. Here also three types are there: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. I'll send one more link. So just using that link, join again.